Hello guys, once again namaste and welcome to my channel. This is Chudamani. Today our topic is how to stay healthy. Those are the basic things I'm going to tell you, and don't skip the video please. It's gonna be very useful and it's gonna be very it can be motivate for you guys, for us, for each and every person. So and another thing about my blog, it's I hope you guys are not feeling bored, because sometime I used to post funny video, then suddenly you guys think what this nonsense this guy is doing. So what I'm thinking, this can be some kind of interesting for you guys and some kind of refresh. Always funny, we have to laugh it also, we have to enjoy, but sometimes we have to motivate ourselves also. Some small things, are we really following in our life, are we really adding in our daily routines or not? So let's go with that. And in this point, I'm not a professional, I'm not doctor, I'm not a physician, and I'm not a trainer, but I'm just giving you some basic tips which I follow in my life, and it's really positive impact in my life. So I'm going to share with you guys my experience. So let's start with this how to stay healthy. So I categorize in I categorize it into three. The first thing is rest, sleep. So we work a lot I understand, we work 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, but we have to find it our the sleeping time. According to the research, it's minimum 6 to 8 hours we have to sleep it. So we have to find it this sleeping time, we have to do it. So this is very important also, and always be fresh, keep your mind fresh, don't let attack lot of things in your mind, so don't make it over pressure. So this is about the rest. So and now another one is exercise, which is important also. All of them are important in their in their places, so we have to just combine it together and we have to build it up. So let's go with the exercise. Exercise means if you can afford, if you can do it, and if that is your passion, you can go to gym, and you can be a bodybuilder, and lot of things is there. But now which I'm talking is about just basic things which we can do in the house to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So daily basis, like at least you can find 1 hour, you can find it 1 hour, does not matter, in the morning, evening, anytime we can find which is available for you. At least 1 hour we have to find it out to sweat our body. So in this time you can do some jogging. If you are close from the park, from the beaches, at least we can jogging there like 20 to 30 minutes. And in the house also you can do push-up, squat, lot of things is there. And if you want to know more something, you can find it in the internet. There are a lot of instruction they are giving, they are giving you instruction. And if you are going in the gym, of course there is the instructor is there, they will give you a lot of instructor about this. So those are the simple things. Sounds funny, but the question is there, are we really doing this? That is the main point. So we have to always look for those small things. We might will miss it, and we might will in the life we get success, we achieve our goal, we are fine, we are perfect. But the question is, if we are not healthy, does not make sense. We earn a lot of money, we are success, we earn, we become success, but if we are not healthy, I think this does not make any sense. So we have to follow always those small things. So I'm just here to guys to refresh for you, to motivate for you in this point. Are we really following those things in our daily life? So exercise, that was about exercise. And the other thing is now here, it's very important also, the healthy foods, which is like the food means, I hope all of you guys, we are cooking in the house, and if even you are eating in the outside, we have to always choose the healthy food, hygienic food, such as like green vegetables, it comes in there, spinach, cabbage and lettuce, lot of this there, cauliflower, broccoli and capsicum, lot of vegetables there. We always have to eat those things in our life. And another thing is there, water. We have to drink always enough water to our body because we sweat it, right? So always to keep ourselves healthy, we have to give, according to the research, if I'm not mistaken, we have to drink 2 to 3 liters water for daily in one day. So and another things, fruits, those are very important also. We can add it in our daily food, like banana, apples, which we can find in your place around there. We have to add it. It's just kinds of it's like we can afford it or no, but we have to do this one. Like for example, we can squeeze it from somewhere which we're going to waste the food, the money. We can add it in our healthy food. These things, this is small things we have to add it there. And another thing is egg is there also, very healthy. And if you guys are eating regularly every day 2 to 3 eggs, you have to avoid to eat the yellow part inside the egg, which is called yolk. So you have to avoid it, that one to eat, because that can be produce lot of fat inside the body. And the egg white is very good for the body. If I'm not mistaken, in one egg we can find in one egg white we can find 6 gram protein. And yeah, that is very healthy for us. And yeah, those are the fruits, that is very important. So those things, again I'm going to repeat it again, those things sounds funny. What this guy is talking about, those small things, simple things, each and everyone, even the children, they know it. But again, the question is repeat here again. Once again, I'm going to repeat it. Are we doing that? Those simple things or not? That is the main point. So we have to do it. We have to find it anyhow. We have to find the time. So guys, that is how I'm doing those, all my experience, which is I'm getting positive result from those and positive influence I get it. So I just want to encourage you guys in these things. So thank you very much for watching. I hope the video is really helpful and really motivate for you and really encouraging for you to do that things, and it's really refresh for you guys. So guys, if you are the first viewer, don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so once you upload the video you'll get the notification. And thank you very much for your support. I'm really getting positive feedback from you guys, and if you guys have some recommendation, please don't forget to comment below. And if the video is really helpful and really useful, don't forget to give thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. So once again, thank you very much. Have a great time. Stay healthy. See you in next video. Bye bye.